Today's day was so hard. I mean, I was studying all night for a maths exam. Do you guys mind if I just check it real quick? What I got?
Sure. We can check it.
No, I got an F. I studied all night for it. What did you guys get?
What did you get?
Oh, I got a B. I guess I should be happy.
It was good.
I got a little something.
Waffle. Yeah. I'm so thirsty. I'm so tired. Yeah.
Me too.
I'll take a sleep.
Yeah. What? Who are you? Since when do plants and trees walk?
Shut up, you little boy. I don't want to hear from you again. Come on, Fauna, calm down. They're just kids. It's not their fault for problems with water pollution.
Oh, polluted water. What are you talking about?
Yes, my dear children. Your older individuals are giving us big problems. Because of your negligence to ecology, it has come to the water pollution and the extinction of endemic species.
Slow down, Forrest. Let me explain it to them. Namely, due to the discharge of wastewater, there is large pollution of rivers and nearly streams, which are necessary for us plants and animals especially.
Oh, now that I think of it, the other day I just saw people emptying their garbage container into the nearby river.
And I saw some black sludge coming out of a coal factory being poured into the river.
And because of that, we decided to make a presentation about that.
Oh, I apologize from you for my violent reaction at the beginning. Maybe you humans are not all the same.
I completely agree, my friend. Maybe there's still hope that we save these beautiful creations of our Mother Nature.
I'm proud that there are still people like this in the world. Dear humans, now go and do everything you can to save us.
You guys, I just got the wildest dream. I was dreaming about that we three were talking to plants and flowers.
What? I dreamed the same thing. What about you?
Guys, me too. They told us that we should try to do everything we can to protect them.
Yeah, let's go. Make it quick. Come on.